everyone, today I will be talking about a very familiar and important plant that many of us even have at home. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria triefasciata, or, it, or in its updated scientific name, Graciana triefasciata. Here in the Philippines, we often call it espada because its long, pointed leaves look like a sword. What's interesting is that even though it is common today in many countries, this plant actually comes from West Africa, where it naturally grows in dry and sunny environments. Let me begin with some information about the organism itself. The snake plant is an evergreen succulent known for its tall, stiff, sword-like leaves that grow straight upward. These leaves usually have patterns of dark and light green, sometimes bordered with yellow. One of the reasons this plant is so popular is because it's extremely hardy. It can survive even with minimal water, low light, and poor soil. That is why people who are new to taking care of plants often start with a snake plant because it is very easy to maintain and tough to kill. In fact, even if you forget to water it for a week or two, the plant can still survive. However, despite being a strong plant, the snake plant still faces some danger. One of the biggest threats to this plant is overwatering. Because it is a succulent, it stores water in its leaves. And giving too much water can cause root rot, which can eventually kill the plant. It is also vulnerable to pests like spiders, mites, and mealybugs, especially if grown indoors without good airflow. In some areas of its origin, snake plants lose habitat due to land development. Extreme cold weather, which the plant is not adapted to, can also damage or kill it. Aside from air purification, the snake plant is commonly used as an ornamental plant. Its clean, tall shape makes it a favorite for interior decoration because it gives a room a modern look, natural look in some cultures. It is also believed to bring good luck and protection, making it a popular household plant not just for beauty but also for tradition. Finally, let us talk about the importance of the snake plant. This plant plays a role in supporting healthier, greener environment, especially in urban areas where natural vegetation is limited. By helping filter indoors air, it promotes better breathing and reduces the stress caused by pollution. It also helps maintain biodiversity in garden and indoors collection. For students and families, it serves as simple introduction to responsible plant care. And because it can grow in poor condition, the snake plant can even help prevent soil erosion even when planted outdoors. In summary, the snake plant may look simple, but it is organism with a great value. From its origin in West Africa to its important role today as a purifier, decoration, and resilient plant, it truly shows how nature provides solution to our everyday needs. This humble espada reminds us that even the simplest plant can have big benefits for our home, our health, and environment. Thank you for listening.